Hi, today I'll be diving deep into two of India's most luxurious credit cards in 2025, the Axis Bank Magnus and the HDFC Diners Club Black. We'll cover the full picture from the benefits to pricing to pros and cons and who each card suits best, and you'll get to see which card wins in 2025. Let's get started. The Axis Bank Magnus is a super premium card aimed at very high income individuals. As of July 2025, it carries a 12,500 rupees plus GST joining and renewal fee, but you get it credited back via a lifestyle voucher. From Lux Gifts, luxury hotel stays or Yatra after your first transaction. It's heavy on travel and dining, unlimited domestic and international lounge access, golf rules, hotel partnerships and fuel surcharge waivers, all wrapped in a premium travel and lifestyle package. How about the HDFC Diners Club Black? It's also a top-tier black card but from HDFC Bank. With a 10,000 rupees plus GST fee which can be waived on annual spends of 5 lakhs, this card focuses on travel, lifestyle and high reward returns. It offers unlimited lounge access, both domestic and international, golf, concierge, milestone-based vouchers and comprehensive insurance. You also get a powerful reward points cashback on every 150 rupees spent. We'll talk more about that in the features section. Now let us talk about the main features of both cards. We'll start with the Axis Magnus card. There's a welcome benefits where you get one voucher worth 12,500 rupees, which is equivalent to the joining fees. You have to choose one from the options of either being a Lux gift card or the Postcard Hotels gift voucher or being a Yatra gift voucher. Lounge access, both international and domestic. Unlimited complimentary international lounge visits and 4 additional guest visits per year with Priority Pass card. And for the domestic lounge access, it's also unlimited visits to select airport lounges in India. There's exclusive offers on certain hotels like International Oberoi and Trident Hotels, up to 15% off. How about lifestyle benefits? Dining delights where you can enjoy up to 30% discount at over 4,000 restaurants across India. And health and wellness? There are insurance benefits, purchase protection, loss card liability programs and lots more. There's the waiver benefits as well, where your annual fee gets waived if you spend up to 25 lakhs in the preceding year. There's a reduced markup fee of 2% on foreign transactions, no cash withdrawal fees, and there's a fuel surcharge waiver of 1% for transactions between 400 rupees to 4,000 rupees. Now that is capped at 400 rupees per month for the waiver. How about the rewards program? You earn 12 Edge reward points per 200 rupees spent on up to 1.5 lakhs and you earn 35 Edge reward points per 200 rupees spent on incremental spend above 1.5 lakhs in a calendar month. When you spend via Travel Edge as well, you earn 5 times reward points. These are all amazing benefits. How about the Diners Club Black Credit Card? With this card, you get complimentary annual memberships of Club Marriott, Times Prime, Amazon Prime and Swiggy One with MMT Black. You get 5 reward points for every 150 rupees spent and you earn up to 10 times reward points via Smart Buy and 2 times points on weekend dining. You also get complimentary golf games across the finest courses in the world. You get 6 of that per quarter. There are also travel benefits when you book flight tickets or hotels across over 150 airlines and choice of hotels, both domestic and international. As earlier mentioned, you get 2 times reward points on dining privileges on the weekends. There's also a credit liability cover and interest-free credit period. Also, on all your foreign currency spends, it is just 2%. There are also concierge services and lounge access, unlimited airport lounge access to over 1,000 lounges in India and worldwide. Interestingly, both for primary card holders and add-on card members. They also offer the fuel surcharge waiver, which is 1% at all fuel stations across India on a minimum of 400 rupees transaction. There's also the Smart EMI, where HDF Bank Diners Club Black Credit Card comes with an option to convert your big spends into EMI after a purchase. There's insurance coverage, and the Good Food Trail program as well. Having considered all of these benefits, let us talk about the pricing of both cards. First, the Axis Magnus credit card costs 12,500 rupees plus GST, and the Diners Club Black credit card costs 10,000 rupees plus GST for both joining and renewal. This fee gets waived if you spend 5 lakhs in the previous calendar year. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using both cards. First, the pros. Axis Magnus card, high reward rates with monthly variability, huge lounge network and guest entries, and there's also concierge services. And the pros of using the HDFC Diners Club Black card? Lounge access is great as well. The reward points to be earned per 150 rupees spent is great. And there are comprehensive travel insurances and concierge as well. How about the cons? The annual fee is high compared to other cards, and the rewards are capped in some categories. And the HDFC Diners Club Black? For the 10,000 rupees annual fee to be waived, you would spend 5 lakhs. That's high as well. And there are fewer transfer partners than Magnus. So which one takes the crown in 2025? Here it is. For travel-centric spenders, Diners Black edges ahead with truly unlimited lounge access, stronger base rewards, and annual milestone gifts, plus extensive insurance. And for luxury lifestyle users, the Axis Magnus shines if you value hotel deals, premium dining, and premium concierge, and lots more. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HDFC Infinia, Standard Chartered Ultimate, and SBI Card Elite. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.